how to accept payments in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to accept payments into your Wix Studio website or your store. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the site's dashboard. Now what we're going to do is to select the website that we have built on Wix Studio label on it. So as you can see, this one, like this, built on Wix Studio, this is a label. We're going to click on select and edit site. It is going to open up the Wix Studio dashboard for that website. And here you go. Now what we're going to do is to make sure that we have added a store or a booking channel so we can accept payments normally. How we can add that? Basically, if you're going to have, for example, some products to sell, like here the products store, you can go ahead and have the access to the apps. Click on App Market. What we're going to do right here is to click on the search bar, type in Wix Stores, and we are going to find this. So click on Wix Stores. Then normally, if you haven't installed this app yet, you can go ahead and click on install, and if it is going to be installed, like in my case, you're going to find open. Now I'm not going to tell you to open it, but basically what we're going to do is to head over the products. So you're going to head over the catalog. Then we are going to see all the products that we have. You can modify, add a new product, synchronize, or import. So if you're going to modify a product, click on it and then wait for a few seconds. Here we have it. Regulate your price, your description, sizes, and etc. Now, after we have did that, what we're going to do is to head over the settings. Click on settings on the left side of the screen. For the finance and payments, you can find the accept payments. Click on it. And then we're going to, depending on the location that we have set, for example, like this one or this place, remember that you can go ahead and have a drop down menu within the region. You can go ahead and choose your own region. And depending on the regions, it is going to change the payment methods. For example, in France, we're going to have Stripe. But if I am going to change it, for example, into the United States, you're not going to find Stripe. Click on change. You're going to find something else. So we are going to set up the credit and also debit card with the Wix or Wix payments. We can have PayPal at every country that you're going to choose, manual payments, and also you can see more payment options by clicking on here. And also depending on the region, it is going to be showing up here the things. For example, the Cash App Pay is not going to be available in France or in Europe in general, but it is going to be available for the American store. So you can see that we have Apple Pay, Google Pay, and etc. So that was for the payment method. So basically, you can install or connect more than one payment method from here. For example, you can put PayPal and also the Wix payment, or you can put Stripe and also PayPal on the same time. It is going to be fine and totally okay with the platform. It is going to support the multi-payment methods. So here I have shown you the accepting payments method. I have shown you also the product or the Wix stores. Now let's go on to the booking. So for the bookings, you can go ahead and head over the app market, and then you're going to type in booking just like that. So you're going to find Wix booking, then you're going to basically add it to your site, and you're going to start receiving bookings and appointments. Also for the scheduling, it is going to be related to the booking. Now you can have also some subscription or for example a subscription. Type in subscription. So you can type in subscription and find the alternative for the subscription or Wix pricing plans. Then you're going to install it also to have some subscriptions going on into your website. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.